Previously on the channel, we made this Ankara lady wall art. If you haven't watched it, do well to go watch it right after this video. I hope you're enjoying our Ankara wall art series. Just go down the playlist so you can get to see the ones we've created. But in the meantime, let's get right into today's video. Hi, so here are the materials we're needing for this wall art. You need some cartons to cut them into a shape. I chose round. You can choose to cut it how you please, and I numbered them on the board and on the cartons. This is me showing you numbers so I know how I want to place them. Yeah, and I just glued 2 cartons together the night before. So you need some hot glue gun, some trimmings. I bought this from a fabric store, and of course your scrap fabric, a pair of scissors. This is me just showing you how I cut them. Now first I went ahead to place the trimmings first, so that when I'm placing the carton that is already wrapped in the fabric, I would just place it over it instead of when I'm trying to place the trimmings I'm struggling with it. So yeah, just a tip, just place the trimmings first. And at this point, please pardon my camera. I kept going out of focus. I'm using my phone, so sorry. I'm very sorry about that. This is me placing the glue on the carton, then placing the fabric over it. Now, at the end of the video, you'll notice that there's a particular fabric that the glue came out through. So you have to be mindful of what kind of fabric you're using for this. It's a red fabric. You could see the glue on it, so be careful. Now, wrapping this on the cardboard is not that hard. You just need to know how best to do it so you don't have excess fabric inside. So yeah, so I'll show you a couple and keep going. Now, if you've gotten to this point in the video, please do well to type circle in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Like a ton of you aren't subscribed. Share to as much people as possible. And please give this video a like. It goes well to help my channel and help the algorithm know that you are enjoying my content and push it out to more people. I'm very grateful. Thank you. Now we're done with gluing the fabric to the cardboard. Now it's time to put the cardboard on the board. You can choose to do this however you please. You can choose to put them scattered. You can choose to cut them into the same sizes. I just choose to cut them into different sizes and arrange them in this manner. Remember I spoke about fabric where the glue was peeking through? Well, this is the fabric. As you can see, there's a bit of glue at the top of it, but it's not very noticeable, so you can just, it's forgiven. So when you're doing yours, please make sure you know the kind of fabric you're using and it's not going to peek through. And with that, we're done. Here's our beautiful wall piece, beautiful wall art. It's very simple, and if you do this, please do it to tag me on Instagram, Thelma_Daniel. You always see that on your screen. And there you have it, folks. Do hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Like, share, drop a comment, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.